Let's dive into how we styled Renee Suen for her big gig, judging at North America 50 Best Bar. First thing first, Adam Quang, our director at StylLounge, sat down with Renee to figure out all the fun stuff. Will she be standing or sitting? How's she gonna move at the events? We brainstormed it and planned it every little detail to make sure she'd be comfortable and looking fabulous at North America 50th Best Bar events. Next up, we went on a fashion adventure. Adam scouted out Canadian fashion designer and put together a lineup of killer look for Renee. After a lot of trying on and giggling, we found the perfect match with Adam X Atelier. We make sure every inch was just right with the final fit-in before Renee jetted off to Mexico for the final events. Renee totally slayed it in this cute lace cocktail dress. Adam X even made a custom jacket for Renee in case the evening got chilly. What an immense honor it was to dress Renee Suen for her role as a judge at North America 50 Best Bars, shining a spotlight on the incredible bar scene across Canada, the US, Mexico, and the Caribbean. And StylLounge were over the moon to be part of this. Big shout out to all the Canadian bars that made the cut for this year North America 50 Best Bar list. Oh, and we added finishing touch for Renee daytime look with Coutts Toronto handbag, because even glam judge need somewhere to stash their stuff while they are out exploring the beautiful San Miguel de Allende, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.